Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the scene, park level, set the parking brake, and place a wheel chock behind the opposite tire so the car can't roll. Next, locate the manufacturer jack point near the wheel. This protects pinch welds and prevents damage. Once done, slightly loosen the lug nuts 1/4 turn while the wheel is still on the ground. This prevents the wheel spinning when elevated. Make sure your spare, lug wrench, and gloves are ready and within arm's reach. You now place the jack under the designated jacking point and align the saddle with the chassis notch so pressure is applied to solid metal. Pump or crank the jack steadily. Rapid or uneven motion can slip the jack. Lift until the tire is about 1 to 2 inches off the ground, just enough to clear. Once lifted, remove the loosened lug nuts completely in a star pattern to avoid binding, then pull the wheel straight off and lay it flat nearby so it won't roll. You place the spare on the hub, aligning studs, and thread lug nuts by hand in a star pattern so the wheel seats evenly. This prevents warping. Once hand-tight, lower the jack slowly until the tire contacts the ground and the vehicle bears weight, then fully tighten nuts to the manufacturer torque. If you detect wobble, noise, or uneven seating, jack up again slightly, reseat the wheel, and retorque. Always inspect the jack and jacking points for damage before driving away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.